Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the 9-step tutorial. If you haven't seen them, watch the previous tutorials that I made, links in the description. So like in the previous tutorials that was about the 8-step, also in the 9-step there is not really a main way to do it, but there are more ways to do it. So also in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you all the main ways to do it, and then it's up to you to create new variations and new ways to do the 9-step. First way to do the 9-step, starting in the position 0, spinning clockwise and starting with the left hand. Step number 1, hook. Step number 2, we're gonna go forward with the right leg, so like this. Step number 3, we're gonna go backwards with the left leg, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna go backwards with the right leg. 4, and then backwards with the left. 5. Again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, then 7, going forward with the left. 8, jumping in this position, right leg straight. And 9, going back to the position 0 and swinging this leg like this. So not doing just that, but like a circle. So again, one more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last time, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another way to do the 9-step, position 0. 1, hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So make the steps very small. Since there are 9 steps, and 9 steps are very many, it's not like a 6-step or like a 5-step or a 4-step, but this move has 9 steps, there are many, so you have to make them smaller and not move too wide. Because if you move too wide from one step to the other, you will start spinning around. It's not correct, because you should stay always in the front if you wanna do it like basic, but actually it could be cool if you wanna try new variations where you try to spin around. But we are doing normally right now, so always facing the front side. So always facing the camera in my case. So each step is small. It's not like 1 and then 2 going too far away, but it's a little bit smaller. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third and last main way to do the 9-step is very similar to the previous one. 1, hook. 2, or 2, how you want. In my case I will do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last time, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these were the main 3 ways to do the 9-step. If you want, send me on my Instagram at KaioFalcro your clips where you try the 9-step or variations of the 9 steps or one of those ways to do the 9-step as you want, and I will put your clips in the next tutorial. That will be about the 10-step, and it will be the last episode of the 10 steps series. After that, I'm gonna continue with some more concepts about footworks, and then I'm gonna go ahead with some freezes or easy power moves, flips or other concepts. Also let me know in the comments what would you like to see after I finish the footwork series. Also if you want, check out my merch, link in the description. And see you next Friday with the next episode. Yo ninjas!